lovely. In this week's episode of our A to Z of Doll's House Miniatures, we are talking F for frontage. And we're going to have a look and think about what you could do to make your property a bit more individual and unique and personal to you. Now, when we've completed the outside of our property, it can all look very beautiful and clean and shiny bright, but does that give it much character when it's also, if you like, newly painted? And what makes it stand out from other properties of the same? Are there things that you can add to give it a bit more character? Maybe they're window boxes or other things just to give it some more interest. On Ashton Place here, I've still got more to do, but we're using the cellar, if you like, not that bit, going to do something with that, but underneath the front door. So it's like going to be a window into the cellar, and that will make use of this space, but give it a bit more interest as well with some perspex on the front. When I first painted Bramble Cottage, it was really quite bright, and my inspiration came from Suffolk pink pot cottages, as well as several of them on the Welsh coast that are painted bright colours with grey trim. But they need a bit of, yes, Max is sleeping, they need a bit of dirtying up, a bit of weather putting on, makes them look much more lived in and characterful. So have a think about what you can do with your property. Have a look around locally and notice how the weather impacts on buildings around you and around where you live. And also the added touches like window boxes, hanging baskets, all sorts of little quirky things. Have fun with this.